Alright, let's continue with the tutorials. This is the small details part 1 out of probably many, as there are so many small details. I am making this video after the launch of, I think it's Senzu 12, whatever it's called. I'm making this video after putting out a tweet, so yeah. So when it comes to details, you want to cut, so the details we're doing today is, pull up the PDF. So this is the small details we will be making. So just cut out this on your sheet of paper and just go ahead and cut out all the little pieces that are on that section, and then basically get like your regular glue stick, then glue each side together. So the white side that does not have any ink on it, it's the sides you want to glue together. So here's the white side that has no ink on it. And you want to place this on the other white side. So basically on these models, on these small details, so basically you have the side that has the ink and everything, and then you got the side that's just plain white. And then the two pieces of paper that you're putting together, they both have white sides that have no ink. So you want to glue those together. So when it comes to placing these on the models, it's really two ways to do it. So you could use your Elmer's glue and then hold the piece there. But because I really want to get this video done quickly, as I put in my Twitter post I did like not long ago, I was feeling a bit unwell, so I'm making this whilst I'm still feeling pretty good. So yeah, so the detailed side of the piece of paper is the piece that you don't want to put the glue on. It's the stuff that's just plain white. Yeah, so basically I'll explain this. So you have this sheet that has all the details on the front. The back that has no details is the side you want to glue on. But yeah, this is the interesting part. Okay, so we have all 4 of our details. So you should have like pieces that look like this and everything. So I'm gonna grab the model. Here you are. So this is the model. So we're gonna start by installing this piece. It's the piece that has the 2 hose holes on the piece of detail. So the spot will be installing it. So if you've been following along with me, you'd note the antenna, and then there's like this oval section in front of it. So it doesn't matter what orientation it goes in, it's just an orientation. So I'm using super glue because trying to get this out pretty reasonably fast. So basically what you want to do is get your glue and then just place it on the tip which goes onto the model. Yeah, so this little hose section goes in front of the antenna. So, as you guys can see, nice in front of there. The next part we'll install is the last hose looking bit, which has a black dot on the top. Yeah, but your guys will be more time lengths out because I'm doing this pretty fast. Where's that piece? But yeah, so this piece goes in a pretty interesting place. Rightio, so this one's an interesting one to explain. So this one gets interesting because if you look, so you have the docking hub. Now, if you know, like right under the airlock spur, to the left there is these so there's the power data converter where the arm will attach on. Then above you find these like oval bits. Yeah. Come on, focus. So basically it goes there. Yeah, so this is the two areas I was talking about. You're going to go to the one on the far left, and the hose points up and then out this way. And we're looking from this point of view, so from this point of view. And the hose goes up and off to the right, from the forward point of view. And what do you have? So now we're going to do the part that has the two spikes. Yeah, so now we're going to do the part that has the two spikes. What do you? So this one's going to be pretty easy to explain in terms of where it goes. So we all know the little hose area we just installed. So I'm looking at photos, so I'm pretty sure it goes in there. We're talking about this piece here. So from what I know, this piece goes on like this because it's going to go out off to the left and then up. So I'll quickly glue that one and then show you guys. Mind you, after I've installed everything, I'll pick my camera up and take a little nice hover around to kind of show you, get some good angles on where each part sits. making sure my reference is correct. Okay, just quickly. Right here. So as you see, the spikes go out a bit and then up. So the spikes, it's basically from that first hose we did, which is about there, it goes right behind it in this box. If you're doing the complex version, which you're forced to on the upside, so it's this box at the most top, just left to this, or right if you're looking at it from this point of view. So there should be a box like right there. Then you want to put this on, and the the spikes will go off to the side a bit and then straight up. That's that part explained. Now I'm just looking at my photos trying to get there we go. Make sure. So this final spike goes right there, from what I'm seeing. So I'll quickly just install it. How long is this going for? 11 minutes. By the way, guys, if you do choose to use super glue for these small details, which I would probably say is highly suggested, because these small parts can be knocked off quite easily if you use normal glue. So, yeah, so I highly suggest using super glue. So there we go, we've placed that last small detail right there. So this little pie here is the last detail. So this spike is like almost the opposite to the other, so it goes off to the left a little bit. So you basically go like that, and then upwards. Alright guys, you get a nice panoramic view in a second. Since I get it set. So guys, you gotta go for a lift. So as you see there, my camera would like to focus. Okay, so if you look, it goes like the one on the left, so this one right here, so instead of going up straight away, it goes off to the left a bit and then up, and on the other side, with this one here, goes to the right and then up, just I don't know for it looks, and then this one here, so you see, goes up and then to the right. This one here goes just both ways. This one really doesn't change. My camera won't focus on it. As you see, this one goes right in front of the antenna. So just to recap, when my camera likes to focus. Here we go, we get a bit of more of a high definition. As you see, it goes off to the left and then up. Can't see a lot of detail. This is me giving you guys good views. Alright guys, thanks for watching the small details for Tianhe part 1. The next part will consist of, hopefully, these bits here. So these bits here, and probably both the all the power data grappling points. Then after that I'll do the solar panel struts area here. And the video after that I'll do the forward details. It's either that, or after this one I'll do this maybe the arm or the solar panels. But I'm kinda have to do the strut area here for the solar panel. Otherwise the solar panel will get in the way. So to recap, I will definitely be doing this area here. All these white little spaces. This one on this end. Yeah, and then this. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Shameless plug. And go follow my Twitter at AOEHMS. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one in the next 2 to 3 days. Thanks.